everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is my Diwali tutorial. Honestly, at one point I was thinking that I might not be able to do a Diwali tutorial because I'm going home and there's so many things happening around, but I'm glad that I could pull this off. I really hope that you enjoy watching this tutorial. This is a beginner friendly tutorial and I've used a mix of drugstore and high-end products to create this look. You'll find the links of the products in the description box below, but before I begin the video, I just have a little announcement to make. We have our Diwali sale going on in House of Sharom. House of Sharom is our brand. Snack Cosmetics is also our brand. We've got two brands, guys, and especially for this Diwali, we've kept a massive discount on all the products in House of Sharom. We've got a range of beautiful, luxurious, organic scented candles, and we've got some really comfy tie-dye clothing. I'm pretty sure once you check it out, you'll find something of your liking. The sale is going to end on Diwali, so just letting you know about it. I'm going to leave a link in the pinned comment of the comment section below. You will always find it in the description box as well. Please check it out. Now that my important announcement is done, let's begin this tutorial. For primer, I'm going to use Lakme Absolute Gel Primer. For foundation, I'm going to use Huda Beauty Foundation Stick. This one is in the shade Toasted Coconut. I'm going to blend this out with Cloud Sponge from our brand Snack Cosmetics. For concealer, I'm using Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I've actually opened a new pack today. Now again, I'm blending it with Cloud Sponge. Next, I'm going to apply a blush, a cream blush, again from Huda Beauty. This is in the shade Rebel Red. Now I'm going to set my base with Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. Quickly filling up my brows with Lakme Micro Brow Perfector. And now I'm setting my brows with Maybelline Tattoo Brow Gel. Moving on to contouring, I'm going to lightly contour my face with Sugar Caramel Captain. Let's get to eye makeup. I'm going to use this palette from Makeup Revolution. First, I'm going to apply this shade all over my eyelid. This is like a very nice shimmery bronze color. I'll apply it with a dry brush. I think I'm going to use my finger to apply it on my eyelid. With the brush, it's taking a lot of time. After applying the shade on both of my eyelids, I'm going to take this color from the palette. It's like a nude color. And I'm going to apply this on my crease. Now I'm taking an angular brush and I'm taking this dark brown shade from the palette. And I'm going to apply it close to my lash line. It's like an eyeliner but not a wing liner. I'm blending this brown lightly with the bronze. I'm taking this nude shade again and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. Now I'm taking this brown Kajal pencil from Sugar, it's called Brown Bag, and I'm going to apply it on my waterline. I will apply false lashes, but before that I'll apply one layer of mascara. I'm using Smashbox Super Fan Mascara. I'm done with the application of false lashes as well. The problem with blushes is, unless I load up my face with blush, the camera does not catch it. Like even right now, I can see it looks like I barely have any blush on my face. Although when I'm looking at my face in the mirror, the blush is fine. Still, I'm going to apply a little more blush so that the proper look can be seen on the camera. I'm going to apply it with my fingers only. The good thing about this Huda Beauty blush is that it does not move your foundation, you know. Okay. I think now it's much better. Before I apply the highlighter, I'm going to use Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Powder, and I'm going to lightly touch up certain areas of my face with this powder, especially the under eye area. This powder makes your under eyes really smooth. Now highlighter, I'm using Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter. I'm going to do a bold lip for this look. First, I'm using a lip liner. This is from Nykaa Lips Don't Lie, and this is in the shade Date Night. I always mess up dark lipsticks, so whenever I'm doing a bold lip, I prefer to use a lip liner first. Now I'm filling the corners of my lips with this lip liner. Now I'm going to use this stunning lip color from Too Faced. This is called Lady Bold, and this is in the shade Rebel. I just wanted to show it to you. Look how pretty this lipstick is. Lastly, setting spray. I'm using Sugar Grand Finale Dewy Setting Mist. This is my final Diwali look. We've come to an end of this tutorial, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to check out our sale on House of Sharma, and also check out our other brand, Snack Cosmetics. You'll find something of your liking in one of our brands for sure. Wish you guys a very happy Diwali in advance. Hope you have a fabulous time with your family and friends. I cannot wait to go to Bhopal and celebrate Diwali with my family. Hope we all have a great time during Diwali. Until I see you again, please take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye. Mwah.